Typical tools you will require to install our Miele laundry pair: your utility knife,
On a besoin d'un couteau,
your leveling tool,
un instrument de niveau
your measuring tools,
et règles, des outils pour à mesurer,
your flathead screwdriver,
un tournevis plate,
pliers for leveling,
deux pinces
and typical T20s,
et des outils pour torque 20
and a drill.
et une perceuse.
Now we're going to demonstrate how to install the W1 washing machine on a pedestal.
Maintenant, on va vous démontrer comment faire l'installation de la laveuse W01 avec le Pedestal.
First, we position the machines on a protective mat to protect the machines when we flip them over.
On doit mettre les laveuses et le Pedestal dans un endroit avec une couverture pour protéger le plancher et protéger la machine.
Okay, so next we have to remove the front door to get access to the install. You remove it left and right. There's clips, as you can see, left and right. You push them and release it off the racks. Notice inside the machine there's hardware we'll be using during the installation. Next, you position the machines on their side. Make sure you have the floor protective, and you remove all four legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, off the washing machine only. Notice we're going to be lining up the pedestal with the washing machine. At the bottom of the machines, we put risers so these two line up perfect and they don't pinch on your carpet or your floor protective material. Next, use the spacers for the washing machine only. The spacers line up on the pedestal, all four spacers. Next, you line up the pedestal with the washing machine, and from the inside part of the machine, the hexagon bolt, you turn it clockwise to thread to the machine. Make sure both units are tight between the washer. So this is the rear plate cover for the pedestal. Use the provided felt for vibrations. Spread them evenly across the plate. So now we position all the dampers across the back plate. Lastly, place the plate lined up behind the washing machine pedestal. Use your drill. Put on the pedestal drawer, line it up on the rails, and gently push in until it locks. Test it by pulling it forward. For final adjustments, if you ever need to level the front panel to the machine or to the floor, there is an adjusting on the side. You lift this cover. So you lift the cover and you can adjust it right or left, and the unit will pivot up or down for fine adjusting. Lastly, you want to level the machine to the floor. As you can see, this is rocking. In your manual, you get a provided key to level the machine. Lastly, using the key, you level the machine around the nut and you lock it in place once the machine is leveled. Always use your leveler to make sure the machine is completely level, front to back, side to side.